Hi guys, I'm Erica. I'm going to record a series of videos that can help you set your online business, right? This can be helpful for teachers and also for students, online students, because I'm going to explain all the tools I use in my online classes. I'm not talking about methodology, I'm not talking about advertising, I'm just talking about the tools that can be very useful for people that are trying to learn and teach online. I have been doing this for a while and I have found out many things, and I would like to share this knowledge with you. So if you want to start teaching online or learning online, you really have to have these tools. First, of course, a PC. A PC is much better than a tablet or a cell phone. If you want to have online classes on your cell phone or tablet, it's okay, you can do it. But I really recommend a good PC with a good camera, microphone, and good internet connection. You should also have a Gmail account, because the tools I'm going to teach here, they require Gmail. You have to download Adobe Acrobat Reader. It is for free. Also, the Gmail and all the tools from Gmail, they are for free. And the other program you should download is Zoom, right? For Zoom is a video conferencing platform, just like Skype, but much better for online teaching. So before you watch the other videos, I really recommend you have all these tools set up. And then while you're watching the tutorials and videos, leave these tools available for you right next to you, and you're gonna use both. I really recommend you watch the videos and apply that to your own computer and your own material, and try to do these tutorials in a practical way by following with your own equipment. I know a lot of very experienced English teachers, language teachers in Brazil that have to adapt now to the online, and I'm sure they're all going to be able to do it in no time. I hope these videos can help these teachers and also the students that have been focusing more on online materials and classes. So my videos will cover Google Classroom, which is the LMS I use. They're gonna cover Whiteboard, so if you want to know more how I use the Whiteboard in the online environment. PDF. PDF is a great resource that you can find online, and to be able to edit a PDF and do homework on PDF is really important. Zoom, which is similar to Skype. And essential sites that I cannot live without. Besides, I'm going to talk about placement. How do we place students that come on the online environment, right? And also talk about one of the very good tools in Google, which is Google Slides. So we're going to talk about PowerPoint, Google Slides, and all the Google Suite. So once you have all the material ready, let's start with the videos. Bye bye, I hope you liked it. See you later.